In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Stan Store on Pinterest. We'll walk through how to grab your Stan Store links, how to turn them into clickable pins on Pinterest, and finally, how to add your Stan Store link to your Pinterest profile so people can always find it. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and feel free to pause after each section. Let's start inside your Stan Store account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top right of your dashboard. There you'll see your main Stan Store link. This is the link that points to your full store, and it's the one you'll use whenever you want people to see everything you offer. Go ahead and copy that link so you can use it later. If you want to share a specific product instead of the whole store, look at the left-hand panel and click on My Store. At the top, you'll see your store header, and below that, a list of your products. Find the product you want to promote. On the right side of that product, click the three vertical dots, often called the More Options menu. From the drop-down, choose Copy URL. That gives you a direct link to that single product, which is great for focused promotions. Now, switch over to your Pinterest account and go to your profile page. In the top right corner, find the Create button and click it. Then choose Pin from the drop-down. This opens the pin creation screen. On the left side, you'll see a section to upload your image. Click that area and a pop-up window will open so you can browse your computer files. Find the image that best represents your store or product, select it, and press Enter or click Open. Once the image is loaded, add a title. This could be your store name or the exact product name you're promoting. Under the title, write a short, clear description that explains what the viewer will get when they click. Then, in the link field, paste the Stan Store or product link you copied earlier. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right and wait for Pinterest to finish posting your pin. To make your Stan Store even easier to find, let's add the link to your Pinterest profile. Click your profile icon in the top right. You'll see a card with your icon, display name, and following count. Click that card so the page reloads to your public profile. Next, click Edit Profile. Scroll down until you see the website field. Paste your Stan Store link into that field, then scroll to the bottom and click Save. Now your pins and your profile both point directly to your Stan Store, giving viewers a clear path to your offers.